So here's our play screen, and we want to make some changes to the look of it. So the first thing to do is press the edit button. Now you really do need to have a keyboard connected to the PC or the Tobii tablet. You can do things with just touch, but it takes a long time, and so it really is recommended you use a keyboard. The combination of keys and touching lets you do things quite quickly. So with touching we can click on a button, click with a mouse or touch the touch screen to choose which button. If we want to change two buttons or more at once, we can do usual control click, as you'd expect. Once you've selected the buttons you want to change, let's do something with them. Let's go to the screen menu and let's change their position. Now you can see you can move them up, down, left and right, but each time you do that, let's do it once. Just one little jump. Takes a long time. So notice there the shortcuts. That's why keyboard makes it much faster. So if you can press, for example, Control with the left cursor, they'll move left. Let's do that now. Control left cursor, dung, dung, dung. And then of course up and down, up, down, whatever. Similarly, I might want to make them bigger, which makes it easier to hit them with your eye. So size menu there, and again you can see make them bigger and smaller, but again the keyboard shortcuts make it a lot quicker. So making them wider, making them taller. I'm just hitting Alt down cursor, Alt right cursor. If I wanted to make them smaller again, Alt left cursor, that kind of thing. You can actually, if you want to must nudge between those two sizes to be just a little bit bigger, you can hold the shift down as well, which gives you a little tiny, you can see just a fraction bigger. Okay, so now we're happy with those sizes. Now the pictures, of course, haven't changed, so we can also fit a picture to the new button size. You might not want to do that and leave them just as they are, which some people find easier. Some people find it easier to have a border like that. Some people actually find it easier not to have a border, so we need both possibilities. So go to the Pictures menu now, and you can actually choose a new picture if you want to. We'll do that another time. But here we are, Fit Button to Picture. There's some explanation. It pops up with help on most items here, which tells you what's going to happen. But basically it will fit the picture to the button in two ways, and notice the shortcut again, Alt B. So we do it once and it fits it to 80% of the size. Press Alt B again, I'm going to do it on the keyboard, and it fills the screen, and I can press it again and again and it'll jump between the two. And I can actually set how small that small size is as well as a setting for what that is. At the moment it's set to 80%. So let's set it back to fill the screen. We now have bigger buttons, and let's move that one over here. Bigger buttons in different places with different size pictures.